Namaste friends, welcome to Vedic Astral Science. As you know, we have launched an online Vedic Astrology course and today I am here to give you a brief overview of the course content. So let us see what are the topics we are covering in this course. Okay, so you can see in the slide that there are 6 topics basically: Ganit Jyotish or mathematical astrology, Rasi or zodiac signs, Grahas or planets, Bhavas, that is houses, Nakshatras, 27 constellations, and Varga Jyotish, that is divisions of Rasis. So this is the brief structure of the course, and let me now elaborate each one specifically. So first of all, let us start with the Ganit Jyotish or mathematical astrology. Okay. So pay attention to this slide. This describes our course on mathematical astrology. So here is manual erection of the birth chart through mathematical calculations. At least 2 classes you will get in a week, plus extra classes and doubt clarification sessions will be there. So we can expect 10 to 12 classes per month. This mathematical astrology course is further divided into 3 levels. Okay, so level 1, level 2, and level 3. And level 3 is optional, that is not mandatory, but level 1 and level 2 is very necessary to further understand Vedic astrology in depth. Okay, so in level 1, we are covering the concepts and calculations of standard time, local mean time or LMT, use of ephemeris, necessary rectifications, sidereal time, different methods of Ayanamsa calculation, calculation of Lagna or ascendant. This is a very important topic, the calculation of Lagna or ascendant. The degree of Lagna is that point for which we are doing all these cumbersome mathematical calculations. Okay, so that is the aim, to find the degree of Lagna. Okay, then comes Grahasputa or planetary degrees, Bhavasputa or degrees of houses. We are going to do it in Porphyry's system. There are other systems like Placidius, etc. You can learn those also if interested. Then comes a calculation of few reference points in a horoscope like Bijasputa, Ketrasputa. Okay, there are other planetary points like the degrees of upagrahas. Okay, those are also very important. So those reference points are will also be taught, and example chart calculations will be there. Okay, we'll be manually erecting the birth chart of the native with example chart. Okay, and study materials will be provided. Then comes level 2. It covers the calculation of dasa, because once you get the chandrasputa or degree of moon, you can do the calculations of dasa in any system. Okay, here we'll be covering Bhogya or balance dasa calculations, Antardasa and Prati Antardasa, concepts of Vimsottari and Ashtottari dasa systems, difference between Kritikadi and Ardradi methods in Ashtottari system, dasa calculation in example charts, and study materials will be provided. So the expected duration for level 1 and level 2 is approximately 3 months. It can be plus or minus 1 month in both sides. Okay. Then the optional part or optional level of the course, that is the mathematical calculations of KP astrology. If someone is interested to learn this, we can provide that also. Okay. So now let us move to the next slide, that is about the second part of the course, second course we can say, which is covering Rasi, Graha and Bhavas, these 3 topics combinedly. Okay, so here in this part, from general significations, of course with classical references of Rasis, to in-depth decoding of each Rasi, okay, will be there. Each Rasi, Graha and Bhava, okay, in-depth decoding. we'll do that with classical sutras or slokas. And mathematical part of this second course covers Grahabal or calculation of planetary strength, Bhavbal or strength of houses, and the theory part will be covered in our channel also. Okay, the videos will be uploaded one by one. We will be starting with Rasis, okay, 12 Rasis or zodiac signs. So videos will be uploaded soon. You keep following, and here you can see the theory part course structure. It covers basics and significations of 12 zodiac signs that are being covered in Rasi part. In Graha part will be understanding the planets, 7 planets, Rahu Ketu and Upagrahas. Okay. Then comes the Bhava part, signification of houses. There will be 12 houses along with Bhav Chalit chart, the concepts of Bhav Chalit chart. Okay. And in the last part of the, actually it is not included in the second course. It is a separate course of nakshatras, which will be course number 3. So in that we'll be covering the general significations of 27 nakshatras and its application in real life. Okay, that is something special which I have put my work in. Okay, so that will be shared to my students who are doing the paid course. Okay, now move to the next topic, which is Varga Jyotish or divisions of Rasi. Okay, so I will not reveal much details now about Varga Jyotish course, and let it be a surprise and will be posted in my channel later. Okay, so thank you friends, and happy learning. Stay fine and don't forget to subscribe.